Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel all about ideas. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a beautiful, amazing and very unique quilling paper craft ideas. These are very elegant, very attractive quilling paper craft for beginners, and I hope so you like these quilling paper craft ideas. So viewers, if you are new on my channel and can't subscribe my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates, for more videos about my channel. So always take care of yourself and must like my video and share this video with your friends, with your family members, and I hope so you liked these quilling paper craft ideas. So guys, take care of yourself, always think positive, always be positive, and thank you for watching my videos, and always take care of yourself, think positive. Allah Hafiz guys.